Hello friends, in this video we see one of the important concept related to enzymes, that is cofactors. Some enzymes associated with non-protein part known as cofactor, that is needed for enzyme activity. Commonly encountered cofactors include metal ions such as zinc, iron, and organic molecules called as coenzymes, which are often derivatives of water soluble vitamins, that is vitamin B and C. Non vitamin organic molecules can also serve as coenzyme. In some cases, coenzymes can also be proteinaceous in nature. For example, glutathione and thioredoxin. Coenzymes can be either tightly or loosely bound to the enzymes. Loosely associated coenzymes are more like co-substrate because they bind to and are released from the enzyme just as substrates and products. Holoenzyme refers to the enzyme with its cofactor. Apoenzymes are the protein portion of the holoenzyme. In the absence of appropriate cofactor, apoenzyme typically does not show biological activity. Prosthetic group is a tightly bound coenzyme that does not dissociate from the enzyme. Example includes biotin, which is bound to carboxylases. Here are some examples of inorganic molecules act as a cofactor with their enzymes. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you.